Have you ever wondered how much water fits in your bottle, or how much Gary your mother's cup can hold? Today, we learn about volume and capacity. Volume is the amount of space a solid object takes up. Capacity is how much liquid a container can hold. Both tell us about space inside. Volume is measured in cubic units. A small cube of 1 centimeter on each side is 1 cubic centimeter, written cm cubed. Bigger objects use meters cubed. Capacity uses liters and milliliters. Remember this magic link. 1 liter equals 1000 cubic centimeters, and 1 milliliter equals exactly 1 cubic centimeters. And 1 milliliter equals exactly 1 cubic centimeter. Example 1. Find the volume of this box. Length is 5 centimeters, width is 3, and height is 2. We use the formula volume equals length times width times height. Multiply. 5 times 3 gives 15. Then 15 times 2 gives 30. So the volume is 30 cubic centimeters. Always remember to write the correct unit. Always remember to write the correct unit. Example 2. A tank holds 2000 cubic centimeters of water. How many liters is that? We use our magic link. 1000 cubic centimeters makes 1 liter. Divide 2000 by 1000 and we get 2 liters. So the tank holds 2 liters of water. Easy, just like sharing 2000 grains into groups of 1000. Many students get this wrong. They write centimeters squared for volume. But volume uses cubic units, centimeters cubed, because it measures space in 3 directions, not 2. Remember this catchy phrase, liters love thousands. 1 liter equals 1000 cubic centimeters. And for boxes, volume equals length times width times height. You've got this. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons that make learning simple and fun. Visit ovasaabi.com for more videos. See you in the next lesson.